Hello and welcome to Painting Panzers. My name's Christian and today we're going to be checking out some Gringo40s Australians. Now these Australians are for the Vietnam War, and this particular guy has an F1 submachine gun, which is a very unique sort of submachine gun. I love the curved magazine on the top, and as you can tell, lots of nice details in there. In that muzzle there's loads of little holes and such, cooling areas, which look great. It's got smoke grenades and canteens and stuff, all the iconic Australian equipment that you would see with troops in Vietnam with the Aussies. Then we've got the SLR, and just again another iconic weapon of the period. You definitely wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of that. Lovely detail in there as well. Again, lots of grenades, smoke grenades essentially, and canteens. The webbing is very similar to the US webbing as well, and all the gear is going to be painted pretty much in the same sort of color. It's all different shades of green, as well as those small little bucket hats that they're wearing. And then we've got a prone guy here. As you can tell, they're actually quite big figures, and I will compare them with other figures at the end of the video. So if you want to see all that, please do wait till the end. But the great thing about Gringo40s range is the fact that they're just so nice. There's lots and lots of detail in there, even on the bottom here. You're not going to see any of this when you base him, but this still looks so good. He's put in work all over the figure, and no stone is left unturned. And you can see the rifles have got their slings on as well, which is great. And this guy's got like a machete, which is a really nice touch. Great detail again, very little cleanup involved, really good facial expressions. The Gringos40s do have a iconic look to them, so you will know a Gringos40 model when you see it, just the way the face is sculpted and stuff. And then we've got a painted example. Now ignore the sort of khaki looking rope, that's meant to be a green as I've since found out, but the rest of the model has been painted up correctly from what I've seen online, at least anyway. And yeah, all just different shades of green, but really lovely to paint, such an ease to do it as well. Now, I did say we'll compare it. So the first one I'm comparing against is an Empress miniature, and you can see the Gringos40 just slightly taller and a little bit wider as well, so probably not compatible with Empress miniatures range of Vietnam figures. And then I'm also going to compare it with the Eureka Miniatures 28mm figure. Now this is noticeably bigger. You can maybe get away with the Empress one, but definitely not the Eureka. Now I do have some other Gringos40s NAM stuff on the channel, as well as some figures which I've already shown, but this is one of my favourite. So this is part of the Green Beret range, I believe, or the Mac V SOG. I love the Car 15. I think it's just an absolute brilliant looking figure. It even has US sculpted into the pistol holster, which is just amazing. Now, if you're interested in these videos, you can find them on my YouTube channel. You just have to scroll down a few months. I think it's almost a year ago now, actually. But we've got the Mac V SOG tutorial there, which was really fun to paint. And well worth checking out if you're in the mood for some tiger stripe, or just some sort of generic US sort of olive drab uniform. Now, as I said, you can find these at the Gringos40s website, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. Thanks again to Jed for sending me out these samples, and we will see a tutorial on these very soon. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it here. Thanks for watching this very quick video, and I will catch you at the next one.